How you doing, guys? So this is the Black Pearl, the AZ Black Pearl, with the Harbor Freight 224 Max Performance engine, with the new reinforced transom here. So this is what we would like to call, or what one of my buddies from Yoda's, Jason, would call a baller on a budget build. So we got, reinforced transom. That didn't cost very much to do, just a little bit extra time. That engine is $200, give or take. The kit from Mud Skipper is also about $320, give or take. So $500 motor setup. You got to find these on Craigslist. So you get one of these 10 footers here for somewhere in between 400 or to $800, depending on what market you are in. Sometimes even more. Little wood casting deck. Brake drum anchor. Paddle. Couple little rod holders. Removable casting deck. Cover it with some leftover used carpet. And you got yourself a budget build. So this engine here ran way better than I would have ever expected. I'm using a 6.5 inch prop right now, and I'm pushing 5,000 RPM at 20 miles an hour, which is kind of unexpected for me. I didn't think I was gonna have to go up in prop sizes. So I'll definitely have to try a 7 or a 7.5 to get those RPMs down just a little bit and get a little bit more speed. So definitely this engine is meeting power expectations. I was definitely thinking about selling this build. In fact, I built this build to sell it, but I don't know. It's doing really, really, really well out here. Might keep it. We had a controlled burn the other day. Looks like it got a little out of control. They had helicopters out here and everything trying to put it out. A bunch of shore fishing. That's probably using my phone. You still smell it smoldering up. So, out at Shit Creek, looks like the burned down pretty good out there in the landscape from that controlled burn, but it's probably needed. Get rid of all the trash. That's the unfortunate thing about Shit Creek. It attracts all the pendejos out here. And they just trash everything. Don't even really care. Something mind-blowing I didn't know about until after this fire. There's citrus orchards right on the other side of there. I had no clue until all of that stuff burned. Let me know, guys, if you want to organize a cleanup if you're in the Yuma area. That shit creek. It's getting pretty fucking disgusting. Another cool little mod on this thing, the paracorded handle and the Salty Crew floaty thing. So I did the whole boat in the mud skipper hull coating, and we ain't got no water in here, which is pretty unusual for me. So looking good. Sealed up everything quite well.